Today we're going to look at the most common technique NBA point guards use to get through pick and rolls. In Jordan's coverage call, the first thing that Paul does is get into the ball handler to give him a chance to get over the screen. The next thing to look at is George Hill's shoulder level as he fights through this screen. Look, even at 6'3", Hill is able to drop his shoulders to just about the hip level of the screener. The thing I really want to focus on is the footwork many of these point guards use in fighting through screens. You see, rather than kicking their inside leg, the leg closest to the screen, over the screen, they instead take that top foot. So in this clip, Paul's left foot, and he moves it over the screen and runs through the pick, making sure to get skinny as to avoid contact with the screen. Everyone talks about footwork from an offensive perspective, but watch these clips and pay attention to how exact the feet are of these guards as they fight through the pick and rolls. Pay attention here to the pursuit of the basketball by the guard as he gets through the pick and tries to get back in front of the ball handler to square the ball up. Notice that on a pull-up attempted by the guard coming off the pick, it is the guard's job to contest it in a side or a rear view mirror contest. It's not the big's job to contest. His job is to move to box out the rolling big and take away his offensive rebounding opportunity.